sa ato ang sample number problem number 3. So katong last time we talk about the sample sa test, no, katong constant and then the following head. Right now kato equivalent na pod. So diri yes, so katong naay parallel and then the perpendicular flow of water or horizontal or the horizontal or the vertical flow of water. So mutong gingon sa inyo ano nga much better if ang horizontal ato na lang na siya tawagan ng parallel flow, and then si vertical flow we call that the perpendicular flow. Okay, so let's solve this sample. We have the given thickness of the soil and hydraulic conductivity of each flow. So what is the equivalent coefficient of permeability in the horizontal direction, and then determine the equivalent coefficient of permeability in the direction of the flow if the direction of the flow is vertical. Okay. So kani siya nga mga hydraulic conductivity class, dili ni siya horizontal vertical, mo ni siyang hiwi or dili siya hiwi. Let's say paana ni siya nga flow, incline or paana. So again, nasa duha ka component, ta siya horizontal ug vertical sa iyang giingon, or let's say we'll call that parallel and the perpendicular flow. So let's solve. Okay, for this is our sample problem number 3. So if you remember, ato ang horizontal equivalent, that is just equal to HO man siya ang total thickness, and then equal to K1 times Z1 plus K2 times Z2 until sa Kn Zn. Itong horizontal equivalent. So ang atong total thickness, so that is just total thickness ano nila, Z1, Z2, Z3, Z4. So here gigamit niya ang Z, so I think much better if Z ang unit. So that is 5 plus 6 plus 6.5 plus 7 is equal to K1. That is 2.5 times 10 to the negative 3 centimeters per seconds times thickness nga 5 meters. And then plus K2, 3 times 10 to the negative 4 centimeters per seconds times thickness nga 6 meters. Plus K3, 1.6 times 10 to the negative 2 centimeters per seconds. Sorry. Times 6.5 meters. Plus last one, that is 2.2 times 10 to the negative 3 centimeters per seconds times 7 meters. Okay, let's say ako na sila i-divide tanan sa ilang total nga thickness. We have KH equivalent horizontal coefficient of flow, that is equal to, kung akong i-solve sa calculator, pwede na ako ni dili i-translate ang units because kaning meters makancel man ni siya sa total nga thickness sa soil. So naka meters man ni, i-divide man ako sa whole equation, so makancel ang meters, so pwede na ako i-change. So that is 2.5 times 10 to the negative 3 times thickness 5 plus 3 times 10 to the negative 4 times thickness nga 6 plus 1.6 times 10 to the negative 2 times thickness nga 6.5 plus 2.2 times 10 to the negative 3 times thickness nga 7 meters all over this one, thickness 5 plus 6 plus 6.5 plus 7. Sakto ba? Yes, 7. So ato ang equivalent horizontal hydraulic conductivity is equal to 0.0054557. Ang unit, that is centimeters per seconds. And then for our vertical, so ito ang vertical, no? If you remember, that is katong, sorry, this is Z. This is the total thickness lugar, no? Z over the KV equivalent is equal to itong Z1 over K1 plus until sa Zn over Kn. And then to solve for KV, so ato lagi po na siyang i-sulat diri. So we have the 5 plus 6 plus 6.5 plus 7 over the equivalent vertical or the perpendicular is equal to 5 meters over 2.5 times 10 to the negative 3 plus 6, yeah, over 3 times 10 to the negative 4 centimeters per second plus 6.5 over 1.6 times 10 to the negative 2 centimeters per second plus 7 meters over 2.2 times 10 to the negative 3 centimeters per seconds. Atong pang cross multiply na to. And then we have the equivalent vertical component of the hydraulic conductivity kV is just equal to, so 5 plus 6 plus 6.5 plus 7 over this one is 5 over 2.5 10 to the negative 3 plus 6 over 3 times 10 to the negative 4 centimeters per second plus 6.5 meters over 1.6 times 10 to the negative 2 plus 7 over 2.2 times 10 to the negative 3. So, wala na ko gi-change ang units ani nila kay makancel magyapon siya ani. So, mura na siya Givarognon's theorem. And then we have the vertical nga equivalent sa hydraulic conductivity equal to 0.000957 centimeters per seconds.